That's not the one, Tito. No. Oh, see, wala. Nakarajog ka.
Wala pa siya nag-grow, totally grow. Hello? Gibot. Hindi ko makuha.
Touch me not. Isa lang pala. What, Daddy?
He has the idea how the plant looks.
Yeah.
He really has the idea. That's why he's looking for this one. Yeah. Below your stool. Do you know the stool? I think there's one more. Below your stool.
Yeah, there. There. Wala na, nag-close na. Kaya touch na ni mo, Ryle.
Mavi.
There. Go there. Touch.
Ah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Another one. There. Touch it. Tito Jutis. Gusto niya laging sa labas. Work from garden. It's 12 o'clock, guys, huh? And we are out. That's how nice the weather is. It's windy.
Under the shade, okay. Otherwise, you will be cold.
While Brian is struggling with Maui.
Look like my cucumber is on duty.
He's working?
Yeah.
Babay.
Maui! Bye!
It's cute, baby.
The rider will come now. May nag-order sa amin, guys. Tapos pinapick up yung chicken biryani. Dumating na yung rider para sa biryani.
Go, Tita Braille. We'll make it brown. Go.
Come here, Maui. It's hot there. Come here.
Come.
Tito Bell will make you bracelet. Come here. Tito Bell is making you bracelet. Go. Look at how happy he is, eh? He's bringing you again. Where you want to go?
You want to go back? You know, the garden.
No, Maui. Give him another one, Daddy.
Yeah. See? Enough. Come on.
Come. Brel na, Brel. Nagpainit din siya, Brel.
There's a bracelet.
Bracelet.
Yung. Ayan, bahan. Allah.
Baby, hold his hand.
Ay.
Baby, hold his hand, baby, or else he will take it. Wait for a while. Wow! Daddy, check out my proposal. So 9 stickers for 1 page. It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay. That's enough. As long as the number is there.
Okay. Dumating na yung pinakahihintay. Thank you! We got package. That's for Ryan. Our subscribers sent.
Oh!
Yes. We'll open later. Kanina guys, oh, may tsunami alert. Kasi may lindol daw sa Russia.
It's around close to 9.
Oh. So KK, the school said go home. But
Yeah, she sure.
mom is complaining.
They did not.
Only KK.
Private school, right?
Yeah. Maui, your tito is improvising. So you can drag that one.
Yeah. Come on.
Go.
Come.
Drag.
Not like this. Mommy, come on. Go. Yeah.
Take.
Take.
Drag.
Come.
Good boy. Come back.
Go. That side. Go back. Balik.
Bisa aja nanti tadi mau.
Go.
Pick up natin si Ryan, guys. Let's go. Pick up Kuya Ryan. Sama-sama ito. Chikiting na ito. Okay. Fix that one, Daddy, please.
Ayan.
Bro, wanna go for it, bro?
How was school? Did you do PE? Check this out. Something is for you.
Yes. What is that?
Huh? From your friend?
Huh?
This is given by our subscriber.
Okay, then I have no idea.
What's your favorite thing?
Book. It's a book. I know it's a book. I guess it's a book.
Come on. Maybe something else.
It's a book. I know.
What's written?
First.
Hi Ryan, hope you like this book.
I knew it.
Lots of.
Oh my
You
god!
have been boy, right?
I already have this one, and this one.
Oh my god! No way! Ako pa ang mas masaya.
I knew it. Weird but true.
Say thank you, Tita.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is almost new.
Yeah.
See? Oh my god, Ryan, ang dami. Oh my
It's
god!
new. I think it's new, right?
Look at it.
They're comics. Whoa,
This one, the whole collection of this.
David Williams.
Oh my god, David Williams.
That's the one you're reading, right?
Williams, W-A na na.
Old school.
Yeah. But this is complete set. Oh my god.
So I have an extra huge book.
Oh my god, yung kid also, guys.
Ooh, the diary.
Thank you so much. Oh my god.
Somebody's day has been very, very good. Happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
Oh, you will start reading now. Tell Ate Ishi if she want also to read something.
Okay, let's go get it.
Show to Ate Ishi. Bumili si ate na
Coconut, everything, right?
kasaba. It's good? Ryan, come here. You wanna try? 1 second. Come on.
This guy is busy.
You like it? Sarap, bro.
Oo siya naman nalagyan. Ay, sa una ka lang. Ano siya ay.
Hala, binas.
Kailan yun?
Masarap pala, guys. Masarap pala. Nagkamaya po na namin. Crunchy. Nagpa-print ako nito, guys. Oh, how is it?
It's good.
Flyers namin. Tanawa, Brian. Is it good? Diba? Ito yung,
Are you vlogging?
Saba pa. Ito yung ginawa ko kanina, guys. Kakat ko siya. Bibigay namin sa mga tao. Oh, bili kayo ng biryani. Biryani kayo dyan. Biryani. Si Katawasing. Ano lang siya. Mix of colored and black and white. Para medyo mura. It still looks nice. Bait nung kapitbahay namin. Actually, dapat lahat black siya. Tapos, sabi nung kapitbahay namin na kung saan ako nagpa-print, sabi niya, lagyan daw ng little color para mas maganda.
Same lang ang price.
Same price lang.
Same price.
May pa-biryani na yun.
Customer din namin yun. Magpa-print kami, tapos bumibili din siya ng biryani. Exchange.
Exchange na nga.
Pero nice na siya. Mas nice siya sa papel kaysa sa ako ang computer. Yeah, for promotion purposes. Oh, diba? Iba din ang trip nila ngayon. Exercise. Exercise. Do it. Do it. Are you gonna go walking today? Yes. Brian, baka gusto mo sumali. Sali ka, Brian.
Sarap talaga.
Ryle is fit.
Peace.
Pita.
He's a volleyball player.
Like,
Huh?
Yes.
Good.
Ayan guys, kinakat ko na siya. Habang may makulit doon.
Yeah.
Marami pala guys. Oh, kailangan kong ikat ito lahat. Daddy, how's the size? Is it okay?
It's nice. It's good size.
Let's do this. Mamaya mag-homework kami ni Ryan. Halala. Tara, Brian. Exercise mo na siya. Halala.
Botong kinakaon mo. Maui, come here, come here.
Ayan guys, nakapag-freshen up na ako. Si Ryan naman, si Ram at saka si Ishi. Nag-walking na sila. Si Bryle at saka si ate ko, kung may naririnig kayong whistle, yun yung aming pressure cooker kasi nagluluto sila ng kambing na kaldereta. Super yummy. Very thankful talaga ako guys sa inyo ng mga subscriber namin. Lalo na yung mga nag-reach out, nag-message sa Facebook page namin na sinusuportaan daw nila kami. Talagang nakaka-touch yung mga messages nyo guys. And tinatry ko talaga siya nasagutin each one of you kung may oras talaga ako kasi minsan alam nyo naman na busy tayo. Then yung subscriber nga namin na nagbigay ng books, nag-message siya sa Instagram naman and sabi niya wag ko daw i-mention yung kanyang name, pero gustong gusto daw talaga niyang ibigay ang mga books para kay Ryan kasi alam niya na magugustuhan talaga ni Ryan yung mga books. Ay naku, very blessed kami guys. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo. Then may isa pang subscriber guys, alam nyo Hindi naman talaga laging masaya, perpekto ang buhay. May mga silent battles tayo na pinagdadaanan everyday. So out of the blue, may isang subscriber nag-message sa akin. Sabi niya, naisip ko lang ang family niyo, pwede bang magbigay ng something para kay Ryan, pang allowance niya, at saka if you have time bago umalis sila, ate ko daw papuntang US at ang pamilya niya, lumabas daw kami, kaya gusto niyang magbigay ng pangkain daw namin. Oh my God, guys, talagang alam mo yun, hindi mo ina-expect one day may ibibigay sa Lord sa inyo na blessing, and very thankful talaga kami, guys, sa inyo na lagi kayong nandyan para sa amin. Sino ba naman kami? Hindi naman kami sikat, diba? Pero lagi nyo kaming sinusuportaan. Simula pa nung nasa India kami hanggang andito na kami sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat talaga. Katanawin namin na utang na loob lahat ng suporta nyo sa pamilya namin. Mag-cook na ang aking bro ng mutton caldereta. Asa mo ng mutton?
No.
Giboil na. Ito yung mga gulay, panggisa, and then carrots, patatas, and everything.
Ala,
Uy, careful.
ito yung ano. Wow, ini guys.
Oh, wow.
Ha?
Start na, bro. I'm hungry na.
Ang ugas sa diyo.
No. Unahin ang onion.
Dili eh.
Unsaman?
Lagi ba? Buot lagi pa. Patatas sa carrots. Patatas, carrots. Ipam. Surut. Ano natin ito, guys? Ipa-brown muna.
What else?
Ito, patatas.
Isabay mo na ang patatas?
Oo, para. Pareha naman na. Magaling lang yan sa ano. Magiling siya. Sa tiyan.
Magaling.
Wow! Wow! Nagsusukit.
Ayos ka ba?
May ibig naman yung
Ayos mo.
Uy.
Update.
Lagay na namin yung liver spread. Oh, di ba? Terita na.
Okay.
Tatlo yung nagtulong-tulong siya ro, di ko ni Marco. Ang isa kay tagahugas lang siya. Wala ka tingog no.
Ito bang hugas?
Pag mo reklamo na mabash. I-bash niya yan din. Hindi naghuhugas dito yun.
Hay, ang kapal ng mukha. Ang kapal. Ha? Sinong naghugas kahapon buong araw? Buong araw, ha? Sino?
Nabuy-buy. Guys, ganyan siya guys. Nabuy-buy guys.
Ilagay na ang
Patatas at saka carrots. Yung prenito. Para ano na siya guys. Malata. Malalambot. Lumambutin. Basta yun na yun.
Para lumambot.
Guys, ito
Ayan ang meat sis.
it seems very soft na. Very soft. Kahapon, beef biryani. Today, mutton caldereta.
Mukhang ganyan. Look at that.
Thanks, bro. Nagugas ka, bro.
shout out kay mama. Di po ako pinapahugas doon dito. Tingnan mo.
Adida.
Wow. So yummy. Mukha talaga siyang caldereta. Akala ko it's a prank lang. Cheese whiz!
Cheese whiz ay butang.
Yummy! Muna ang last step.
Yes.
Oh, wala. Sigurang to sa diba na kung ano. Lamig daw.
Yeah.
Kaldereta.
Biryani and caldereta.
Ready na lagi mo lagi ay.
Ready na siya. Ganina pa siya.
Kaya mo yun sa inyo sa phone.
Kani mo eh.
It's very good braai with biryani. Kaya ko sa baon lang.
Dito eh.
Pero di mo mabinlan kung na dito sa.
Pero mo ang green peas eh. Kaya ilaw.
Gusto ko, ilaw na doon ang luto.
Nakalimutan.
Hindi ko alam naman siya.
Ang good.
Ano ka na rin?
Pangata daw biryani, Bi.
Ulo ko dito, puning ko mo, tukuri ko sa lain.
Kapag iyataga, di ka pa yung magdinalo ha. I want to try.
With cheese, kami ko siya.
Very soft ba? Grabe siya.
Yan.
Caldereta for sale, dito biryani for sale.
May combination.
Diba lang ito siya?
Very lamig din siya. May pati ang pug bakit? Very soft.
Ikaw na pinapagod sis.
Bilang mapin ang buta mo.
Asa na kato sila? Saan ang oras, Ti?
7 pa.
Alam niya siya with biryani ay.
Acting good. Nanohol itong biryani ng gusta. May bayad ng 150. Halalamig siya with biryani ay.
Brown.
Wow, pwede na marunong na akong pagkakas.
Dumating na pala sila guys kanina pa ay naging busy kami sa assignment ni Ryan. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. But Ryan loved the caldereta. Right Ryan? Si Daddy Ram hindi kumain. Kinain niya yung potato curry. Kasi alam niyo naman si Daddy Ram hindi kumakain ng mga sweet na curries. Ryan. Come na, say bye to guys. Sleeping time. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Like, subscribe, like, share, and the bell icon. Bye.
Simple guys.